Welcome to Trackside Cooking. Today, breakfast. Bacon, eggs, hash browns, huge ass burritos, tapatio, Tabasco for the bitches. That's our racer, AJ Armstrong. I'm your host, Eric Gipe, and right now we are cooking the bacon. It's pretty simple, morons. Cook the bacon, throw the eggs in, get it out, put the hash browns in, put it in the tortilla, eat it. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Vegetarians, kiss my ass. This pork died happy. We want our bacon nice and crispy. There's no need for limp bacon in this shop. Ooh, it's gonna be really good. Alright, up next we're gonna get some plates, put some napkins out, get our eggs cooked real fast, and then the hash browns.